it'll work for what I need it for. But now I just gotta push the truck back, bring the Bronco in, and call it a night. Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I think we're going to mess with the straight six some back over here. We're gonna put it on an engine stand, which I gotta dig out from behind the International over here. I finally found some bolts that I think will work, and we'll get that all cinched up, and hopefully I think that engine stand will hold it. It should. Anyways, we'll get that taken care of, and if we got enough time, maybe swing the front of the International out some. Now you hear the wind. I hope you can hear it. There's a big storm coming in tonight, and I think it may get here kind of early, so may keep it kind of quick tonight. But maybe swing the front end over and start knocking away some of that. I don't know what that stuff is. Some kind of coating that's coming off that steering rack, and I guess the cross member or something right there. Start knocking that stuff back, getting it ready to lightly sand and paint. So I think that rust reformer said it doesn't have to be cleaned, just the scale and stuff knocked off, and it should seal it, which I'm hoping it does, because I got it on most of the Bronco. But other than that, may try to clean the firewall in International. Not sure yet if we'll get that far, but like I said, we'll use the super clean just a little bit and just get all the dirt and stuff off. Not to make it shiny, but just get it clean. Still on the fence about the frame. I don't know if I should paint it or not. Just mainly painting that steering rack because that stuff's chipping up and it just looks bad. This is the first time joining. We got a 71 Bronco back here that we're messing with, and we got a cat climbing up on a ladder over there. I'm gonna mess something up in here. Anyways, we got some Bronco back here that we're messing with. I do see this International getting on the road quick, so that's why we're kind of gonna hit it. But two main projects right now. Also, if hit 500 subscribers by the end of March, which is pretty close. This video was shot before the end of March, so I think today's the 28th. I'm guessing, I can't remember. But if I give it till March, if I get 500 subscribers by the end of March, then I'll eat the World's Hottest Chocolate live on camera. Anyways, enough talking. Let's get the cherry picker ready, engine stand out, and we'll get this engine up and bolted up. And maybe pull the International out and clean the rails and stuff a little bit. But anyways, let's get to work. Alright, I'll show you kind of what we did. Found a grade 8 bolt, put it in the block as far as I could with a washer. And then over here, just used head bolt. And there's a little bit of slack. I'm hoping I can get it centered and get enough where I can get the straps off of it and drop the block stand it's on and get my engine standing. Bolt it up. Hopefully that'll work to allow us to yank the engine up, take the straps off, drop that wooden engine stand out from underneath it, get up high enough where we can bolt the engine to the engine stand, which I got over here, I believe. Had to pull it out, and I'm hoping that'll be good enough to keep it up there and not bend any bolts or anything like that. So let's get the engine stand. We'll get it up and we'll get it on there. Well, I'll take the blame on this one. Apparently these holes I was going to use for the bottom right here, different size thread than what I got. This one's just a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna have to put it back on the stand, get this size bolt to one there, because it's this one and that one. These two up here are bigger size, and that's the only places I can possibly get it. And two, this looks kind of weird. Might flip this one back around, shoot out that side, maybe. Eventually get it. Let's put this down back on the stand, and we make them over here and the wind's not too rough, and start sanding this steering rack and stuff down a little bit. Trying to see how much of this will pop off. Looks like quite a bit. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. I think I'm gonna clean it off and just spray some of that rust reformer just right here where it's clean. Couldn't get in there very good, but just want to cover the bare metal. I got something. Oh, nice stuff. So let's get some cleaner. I'm gonna paint this right quick, and that may be all I do to it. Unless y'all think I should do the frame rails. Well, at least we got something done today. Don't look half bad. Engine's gonna be sitting on it, so I think it'll be all right. So we got that done. Over here, needed 2 different kind of bolts. This is, well, now I look at it, probably put the ones I got here and here. I'd rather have up top and back here. So I have to go to I think it's Orscheln's that I got those from. Get some more washers and grade 8 one of these, long enough to go through the engine stand there. So didn't get to get this on the stand tonight. I'm gonna buy the extra bolts. I'm gonna get more Rust-Oleum, that rust reformer, because I only got 1 can left, and I'm hoping we paint the Bronco soon. But glad we got this done at least. It's not professional by any means, but it'll work for what I need it for. But now I just gotta push the truck back, bring the Bronco in, and call it a night. Well, I don't know if you can hear, but the wind is really howling out there. Means the storm's probably about to move in. Need to get the Bronco in and the truck in. Don't want it to hail on or anything, so gotta do that right quick. I won't do that on camera, but a couple more days, get 500. But if not, we'll get there eventually. May give away a hat or something. Like I said, I'll get more bolts. They'll fit, and we get on a stand. Hopefully here next video or two. Gonna be going back to the Bronco, sanding all the flat parts down, and then getting it where I do need the blaster. So I'm thinking about keeping it. I know it's kind of a pain, but I think just for like the seams and, you know, nooks and crannies and stuff, I think shaking a little bit and hitting those won't be as bad as I get the rest of it done by hand. Tell me if I'm wrong, but that's what I'm thinking. I still got a few days left to take it back, but I don't know. Also, if you commented on my last video, for some reason I can't see it and I can't respond. I usually try to respond to everybody. Don't think I'm ignoring you. I just, for some reason, YouTube won't show me it. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.